Coast weather. Certified most accurate.
Seems like a pretty nice start to the day here in our neck of the woods.
It is, but we are still tracking Tropical Storm Arthur. In fact, we actually had an update to Tropical Storm Arthur, and it has strengthened a bit. So when do we typically see a tropical system? That's typically on June 20th. So we're maybe a couple of days ahead of schedule, and typically they form from a Central American gyre or maybe a decaying front over some of the warm waters. Kind of a mixture of both of those is how we got Arthur. But like I mentioned, we have some updated numbers. This is as of the 12:30 advisory. Currently, the hurricane hunters are flying around into the center, and they're noticing that the winds are a little bit stronger. Noticing right now, moving toward the northeast at 9 miles per hour, winds are up 5 miles per hour. So now we're talking about winds of 45 miles per hour. But noticing, most of the convection right here is showing, it does look impressive visually, but the center is still well removed from a lot of that convection here. And the visible satellite kind of paints a better picture. You can see that swirl right here over, I would say, sections of coastal Texas, but noticing all the thunderstorm activity is well removed here. And that's where we're seeing most of the strongest winds well removed from that center of circulation. So this is where we can expect Arthur to continue to travel over the next few days, continuing that northeast movement at about 9 miles per hour, expecting to basically hug the coastline here across Texas and Louisiana. And it is going to bring in some very, I would say, a lot of rain across the area. As we move a little bit more toward the east, noticing here, mostly dry here across the Gulf Coast, and that is going to set the stage up for very warm temperatures across the area. We're going to continue to see that surging humidity, and it is going to feel like the triple digits across the area. Make sure you're getting a lot of water into your system and also taking a lot of breaks. The temperatures over the next few days are going to continue to trend into the lower to mid 90s. This is not even throwing in the humidity across the area, and when you throw in that humidity, it is going to feel like the triple digits. Look at that on Sunday. It feels like temperature of 107 degrees in Fort Myers. So it is most certainly going to be very warm here across the area. And we're not going to see a lot of rain chances over the next 7 days, only about average rain chances. Below average rain chances for our Wednesday and our Thursday. We get to our average rain chances on our Friday, 40% chance of rain for our Friday. And as we look toward the weekend, high temperatures into the lower to mid 90s. And we continue to increase our temperatures as we get later through the weekend and early next week. So we're going to continue to see that summertime pattern here across the Gulf Coast. Now, finally starting to see some shower activity beginning to pop up, mostly in interior sections of Lee County, noticing a decent line of showers beginning to move just to the south of Lehigh Acres, and that will also continue to move toward the northeast. Zoom in a little bit more, we can see here the showers, and it looks as though this moved off a little bit off to my map, but that shower here into Lehigh is beginning to move toward the northeast, getting into some decent rain across the area. Most of these showers, however, are moving, I would say, at a decent clip. So as soon as it starts raining, it is going to basically dry up. Now, we are seeing a few showers here beginning to move across Alligator Alley. Most of those are slowly beginning to dry up, but we're continuing to expect the opportunity for maybe just a few isolated showers. But the vast majority of us here, especially for the remainder of our Wednesday, we're going to remain mostly dry. Most of those showers that we're tracking right now, they're going to move toward the north and the east and basically set up camp right here just south of Lake Okeechobee and places like Lewiston. You'll be getting into some rain. So for today, we're going to expect mostly hot and humid conditions here across the area. Most spots are going to remain dry. We may see an opportunity for a few isolated showers, basically what we're tracking right now, and a high temperature of 93 degrees. But as we get later on into the week, we're going to see that the high pressure is going to basically set itself up right over the state, and that's going to keep our rain chances anywhere from 10 to 20% over the next few days. And as you get toward the weekend, we'll see our rain chances increase to about 40%. That's your Gulf Coast weather, most accurate forecast.